All right, you guys, I know you've been waiting a long time to see this video. A lot of you guys have wanted to see more about the Dodge Demon that we're giving away. And as you can see next to me, I have a big black box here that says right on the front, Demon. When you order up a Demon, or when you could order up a Demon back in 2018, and there were only about 3,000 available to the US market, Dodge would let you option out a few different things. For example, a passenger seat was optional. You could pay an extra $1 and Dodge would put the passenger seat in there for you. Believe it or not, this thing comes stocked with one seat in the front. So one reason the crate is so special is because it only came with the Dodge Demons. You can't order this thing after the fact. You can't buy them anymore. And not every Demon owner optioned out the crate either. So that makes these things even more rare than the cars themselves. So these days you'll see these crates selling on the market for anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 when they're not with a car. A lot of the parts in here are very high quality and take the Demon to the next level on the drag strip. What I'm gonna do for you guys is get into the crate, kind of break down what we have in here, why this is such a good option, and why there's not really anything like this on the market. So let's get to it, let's break it down. So even just from an exterior point of view, there's a few things going on here with this crate. On the side, you get the Demon image, and right here on the top, there's actually a plate. Now, our Demon was number 2991, so literally only 9 Demons away from the very end of production, and was built for Miller. So I don't know who's gonna win this thing, but maybe if your last name's Miller, you're gonna have a very personal prize when you win. So that's all really for the outside of the box, so let's go ahead and get inside and see what's in there. What is in the Demon crate? Gotta lock these. First impressions, obviously you have the Demon logo right ahead when you open the crate, and then we have a whole bunch of stuff here to unpack, so let's go through it. Everything in here is specifically branded to be together. It's all got the Demon logo or the Demon icon with the face right there. So even just to start, let's break this down. We got these wheels right here, and these are actually really sick because these are skinny drag wheels to go on the front of the Demon. Now they don't come with rubber, but they are built and designed for this car. So, you know, direct bolt on, all you gotta do is get some new rubber and you're gonna be flying down the drag strip at, in theory, you know, 9-second quarter miles. So definitely solid piece to have in the crate. Brand new, still got the foam and plastic, never been opened. And they're held down by this really high quality strap. It's actually made of the same material as the seat belts in the car. So high quality, super strong, definitely gonna last you a while. And it's red, so matches everything else. Coming up next, we have a really nice floor jack. This thing is super solid. Once again, nothing in here has been used, so all of this is brand new. You'll be the first person to use it. Awesome Demon branding on everything. You got the Demon logo in the foam, Demon right here. It's all red, really nice finish. Got some more of the belts here to hold that stuff down. And then right here, we have a really cool piece. So this is a Demon torque wrench. All right, opening it up. Still got the original paperwork in here. This thing is really nice. Super solid piece, like everything else in the crate. And Demon branded. And we're not even done yet. We got a nice tool bag right there, but let's get underneath the foam to see what other prizes are hiding inside the crate. So I've almost got all the parts out here, but I just wanted to touch on one thing real quick, which is that this foam insert is actually designed to fit in the back of the car. So you can put this piece in the trunk and haul all your parts to the drag strip with ease, and you know everything's here. So super awesome feature, glad they thought of that, and it just makes getting all of this to the track that much easier. So let's get underneath it and see what's down there. All right, I got the top out. Now let's see what we got remaining in the crate. So right off the bat, you have a really nice Demon impact wrench. Let's go ahead and pull that out and see what's inside. Demon branded, like everything else. Even got SRT on there, that's pretty cool. So we have a pretty high quality set here. Very nice impact wrench, obviously designed to be used with the Demon. Comes with 2 batteries and a charger. I believe all the tools that are in here are made by Snap-on with Demon branding. I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me know in the comments if that's not right, but either way, all the stuff that comes in this crate, all the tools, all the parts, everything is definitely super high quality. So it's gonna last you a long time, and it's designed to be used with this car. So no worries there. All right, a few last things in here. This is a fender cover, never opened, brand new. Goes over the side of the car if you ever have any work to be done. Hopefully you won't have to do that. You get some original paperwork in here that goes through your whole list of everything in the crate. Super nice to have the original documentation with all the parts. That's always a nice piece. All right, last thing here is we have a couple of small boxes. I'm gonna pull these out and go through each one with you guys, and that's pretty much it. So we have the first box open here. Some cool things that come inside. Dodge includes this little mirror blinder. It's kind of like horse blinds. It's meant for the drag strip, so cool little thing they threw in there. You get some valve stems for your skinnies. Super nice, seem like good quality. You get this really cool custom socket. It says Demon on it. Super sick. Obviously meant for your car. And also a really nice extension. So this is a cool little box, good things. On to the next one. All right, for the next box, this one's pretty interesting. So this is a custom vent for the previous owner of the car. Maybe not something that you're gonna want necessarily, but like I said, if your name's Miller, this might be a really cool thing to have. So right now it just says 2991 in the car, no name. You probably wanna keep it that way, but this is also here if you want it. Okay, this is the biggest small box with a Demon face on it. And what you get in here is a new air filter for your car. So I gotta stop for a second. I know the Demon sucks in a lot of air. Like, you know, it has the big hood, it's got all the air grabber stuff, it's got the functional headlight, but look at the size of this cone, this air intake. It's got the air grabber right there, super sick. Look how massive that is next to my hand. I mean, this thing is probably the biggest cone filter I've seen before. Pretty fitting for the Demon. So that comes in the box as well. We're down to the final two boxes in the crate, and I saved some of the best for last for you guys. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. I know that's a crazy thing to say because there's so many good things in this box, but check this out. So in here, we have an entirely new AC control panel. Now what's interesting about this, what you might notice, is this is actually the one that comes in the car, not the crate. The reason for this is our Demon is modified, so it already has the performance one installed. Don't have to worry about it. So the only difference being right here in the center, there's actually a high octane button, which allows you to run 100 octane fuel, race fuel in this car from the factory. So super awesome piece. The other one comes along with the crate if you ever want to go back to the normal one, but yeah, super sick. Last box, and probably one that a few of you have been waiting to see. So this box contains a very special piece. Yep, a new ECU. This is basically the computer, the brain for the Demon, right? This is what does the thinking. But what's so cool about this is Dodge actually included a special ECU to run the full 840 horsepower that the Demon is capable of. And you don't get that unless you install the new one. So what's really, really cool about our Demon build is this happens to be the non-race ECU because you get the race ECU already installed. Amazing piece, so glad they threw that in there, but you're gonna get it right away when you get the Demon. So, all right, you guys, that is pretty much it for the Demon crate. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Go get your entries for the sweepstakes. This Demon ends really soon. Like as I'm making this video, you only have 8 days left. So it's probably less than that when this thing gets published. But go get your entries, win the Demon, win the crate, plus 20 grand in cash. Or if you're lucky, you could be one of the 10 people who also win $1,000. So pretty easy, guys. Go hit the site, get your entries, and we'll see you on the next one.